Hello, I'm Wendy Ibalig-Garigay. I'm 44 years old. I have 8 years experience as assistant cook. My skill, good communication, excellent customer service, time management, hardworking, flexible, all works. My experience, Mandarin, White Sand, Boracay, Sida Centrio, Pearl Moon Hotel. My duties and responsibilities, check the hygienes, check the crew, set up all the ingredients and all equipments, always clean and sanitize the station. I can contribute my experience and skill to the team. Thank you.